and
Appreciate it.
when it's completed.
Yep.
Always want a spoiler. I want to see a spoiler, and that's a lot of people.
He
You
never
know?
changed, man. He never changed,
Yeah,
though. He never
yeah.
changed.
You
This
leave
guy.
it on like
You gotta get a little bit though, little bit.
Yeah.
So you give it because let us say right here, I come and give you everything that I know,
Yeah,
and we do it all day today. You don't have nothing left, but I give you a little bit. Now you're hungry, more. You know, you get that hunger.
damn
you want
right,
more.
dude.
And that's how it is.
It's like cooking, man. Like
Yeah,
you're
it's
using
cooking.
seasoning,
Yeah.
but not too much. You're
Not too much.
You're not killing it.
It's not too salty. It's not too sweet, but it's just perfect, balanced.
That's right. Yeah,
And that's how it is.
that's a great thing, man. You really. It seems like everything that you're doing is like a tree, and it's all coming down into this one big thing that you're doing. You know what I mean? Like one thing is feeding the other, and the other one is feeding the other, and you're just building.
You see, that's what
You're building something big, man. I can totally see it. You're doing it right.